Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the mesh file format and scene unit so nothing imports at the wrong scale. Open your project and back up the current scene. Once done, enable any import plugins required by your tool. Then import the file, choosing the correct scale and axis orientation because mismatched axes flip geometry. If prompted, combine materials on import to reduce setup time. This gives you a clean starting point to position the mesh in your scene. Once the mesh is in your scene, clean the geometry. Remove duplicate vertices, fix non-manifold edges, and delete isolated faces so the mesh behaves predictably. Make sure to apply transforms and freeze scale and rotation. Recalculate normal so lighting looks correct. Next, unwrap or adjust UVs if textures misalign, and assign materials logically. Finally, create or assign levels of detail and collision geometry. To finalize, position the mesh, snap it to the scene grid, and run a quick lighting or engine preview to confirm it integrates visually. Save or export the scene with versioning and test interactions like occlusion and collision. If something goes wrong, geometry invisible, shading odd, or textures missing, first inspect normals and applied transforms, then confirm texture paths and material assignments. If scale is off, reapply unit conversion. These checks usually resolve import problems quickly, so you can move on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.